Why does AI sometimes give us weird faces like this? Want to know how to fix them for free? Let's do it. Hey everyone! First of all, as you can probably tell, I'm not Sky. My name's Olivia, and I'm the newest creator here at Syncing AI. I'll be joining Sky to bring you loads of exciting tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you get the very best out of AI. So today, let's fix those weird alien-looking faces that AI sometimes creates. The best part? If you have a design plan, this tool uses 0 credits. That's right, it's completely free. Let's take a look at this image I generated. As you can see, something isn't quite right with the eyes. It happens from time to time with AI-generated images, but thankfully it's incredibly easy to fix.
All we need to do is head over to Design, click on AI Tools, and then select Face Repair. Now simply upload your image, draw around the part of the face that looks broken or distorted, and click Generate. And there you go. Look at the difference. In just a few seconds, the face looks so much more natural. Honestly, it's such a useful tool, and the fact that it doesn't cost any credits makes it even better. I definitely recommend giving it a try for yourself.
This was just a quick tutorial to show you this handy feature, and also to properly introduce myself. I'm really excited to be creating more content for the channel, and I can't wait to share more AI tips and tutorials with all of you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. You'll find all the links you need down in the description if you'd like to try it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching, keep those creative minds flowing, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.